Hey loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, hey, or hey boy, hey, because you could be a boy watching my channel. I just want to say thank you for clicking on this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on so you don't miss an upload. Today's video, it's going to be short, simple, straight to the point. I'm basically going to be giving you 25 Vlogmas ideas. I know Vlogmas has just started, and a lot of you, this is your first time doing Vlogmas. This is actually my second time doing Vlogmas. I tried to do it last year, but it was an epic fail. But I think if I would have been better prepared last year, I wouldn't have been able to do it. This year, I have been prepared. I have been pre-recording. I have been, your girl has been on it. So I'm going to basically give y'all 25 Vlogmas ideas. Basically stuff that you can do so that, you can stay on task with Vlogmas. I said 25, but I might be a little nice and give you a little extra. So I'm just going to go ahead. I have a list here. Just going to read from it. And hopefully you can use some of these ideas, to start your Vlogmas channel. So the first video could be, hey, I'm doing Vlogmas. That could be your first video. Basically, you just do an introduction saying, hey, I'm doing Vlogmas. You can describe what Vlogmas is. And then, that's one idea. Another idea could be, just your Vlogmas intro. A lot of YouTubers, they create this fancy little intro and then they place it, as a video. So that could be 2 ideas. 3, you could do put up my Christmas tree or, my Christmas decorations. That could be 3. 4 could be come shopping with me for holiday decor. It's December, so everybody is looking for, decor ideas. You can do a Dollar Tree shopping, a Five Below shopping. You can do a Walmart holiday decor. Like, the possibilities are endless. You could also do basically Vlogmas ideas. The video how I'm doing, where I'm sitting down and giving you ideas. You could also do a video on what ideas or what videos to do for Vlogmas, because everybody is looking for ideas for Vlogmas, because it is really hard to come up with content, especially if it's your first time doing it. 6, you could, decorate your room, decorate your living room, decorate your beauty room. You can do any kind of decorations, decorate your kitchen. People love to see holiday decor videos, so that could definitely be a video. And number 7 could be a holiday makeup tutorial. If you're into makeup like me, you could do holiday makeup. It could be something just as simple as this, or it could be a red lip. It could be whatever kind of makeup look you want it to be. 8, you could do a skincare routine or a nighttime routine, a winter skin time routine. It's the time of the year where people are looking for when people are looking for skincare routine videos. Me personally, I am definitely into, face mask and all of that. And that's something you definitely could do. 9, you could bake cookies. You could make holiday cookies. You can make holiday treats. You can do anything, any kind of baking that's holiday related. You could definitely do that. 10, you could do a video on how to stay consistent doing Vlogmas. It is very, very hard to stay consistent on Vlogmas, and you can give some tips. People are always going to be looking for tips on how to stay consistent during Vlogmas. 11, you could do some last minute Christmas ideas. That could be last minute from Amazon, from Walmart, from Dollar Tree. Like, you can do any kind of last minute holiday shopping, because like I said, December has already hit and people are looking for gifts, especially last minute gifts, because a lot of people are last minute. Me, I'm normally ahead of the game, but this year your girl is last minute. So definitely you could do, a last minute Christmas ideas. 12, you can make a gingerbread house. I mean, that is super cute, super simple. If you have kids, you can involve your kids. If you have a boyfriend or a husband, wife, girlfriend, you can include them in it. 13, you could basically try any kind of holiday drinks from Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts or any kind of place that has anything that's holiday related. Like, you could try Starbucks holiday drinks. 14, you could do a get to know me vlog because you're going to be putting out a lot of different content and people may not actually know who you are, so you can do a get to know me vlog. 15, you could do budget Christmas gifts. People are always looking for gifts on a budget. I don't know about y'all, but I like to save my money. I don't like to go splurge. So, you know, Christmas isn't all about, you know, it isn't all about giving people the big gifts and expensive gifts. You know, it's the thought that counts. So you could definitely look for budget Christmas gifts. 16, you could do a holiday outfit look or a holiday outfits haul. It could be Fashion Nova, Shein. It could be Pretty Little Things. Anything holiday related, whether it's going to a Christmas party or for Christmas, sitting in the living room, any of that, like any kind of holiday, you know, outfit, people are definitely looking for that. So you could definitely do that for Vlogmas. 17, you could do, you know, do-it-yourself family Christmas photos or do-it-yourself Christmas photos. Me, I'm married and I have a little boy, so you're definitely going to see your girl doing some Christmas photos because I'm extra and I like to be extra. But people are looking for that kind of content. They're looking for, you know, ideas that they could do for Christmas. 18, you can make Christmas cards with me. People like DIYs. People like to do stuff themselves. So anything DIY related, you could do, you know, number 20 could be holiday press-on nails. Like, y'all be sleeping on press-ons, but I absolutely love press-ons. So you could, you know, you could do some holiday press-on nails, something simple, something affordable, because people may not have the extra money to go get their nails done, but they might have, you know, a couple extra dollars to go get some press-ons, and you can show them exactly how to do that, because baby, press-on nails be giving me life. 21, you could do wrap Christmas gifts with me. Like, I don't know what it is about it, but it's so soothing to just be able to wrap gifts with someone or to watch someone wrap gifts, because a lot of people don't know how to wrap gifts. I was taught how to wrap gifts like by my aunt, and she would only let us use like one piece of tape. I was like, man, now that I'm older, like, I wrap gifts totally different, and you know, I watch videos, so that's something that you could do. 22, you know, last minute gift ideas. I already said this earlier, I believe, but this could be, you know, last minute gift ideas, like for real, from like the convenience store, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, any kind of gifts like that. 23, you could come to work with me. Me, I work at a salon, so you could definitely do, you know, come to work with me salon edition, coming to work with me wherever you work. If your boss or your business will allow you to film, definitely come to work with me. I'm definitely going to be doing a come to work with me salon edition for Christmas because it gets crazy in the salon. It really does. 24, you could do a New Year's resolution. You know, it's the end of the year. People always have New Year resolutions. People always make them. I am forever making them. Am I ever, you know, finishing them? Not. But, you know, it's good to do a resolution. You could also do for 25, you could do a Christmas get ready with me. People like to see people get ready. Those were 25 ideas. Hopefully, you know, you like any other ideas. Actually, I gave you a little bit more than 25 because some of the ones that I listed, they were multiple things that you could do. So hopefully you like this video. Hopefully I gave you, you know, a little bit of inspiration so you can start your Vlogmas journey. Hopefully you will follow me on my Vlogmas journey. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until next time.